Good morning everyone, I am Ashritha P of grade 9. Today I am going to speak a few words about work from home. Today I am going to say about the revolution, differences and challenges of work from home. What is work from home? Work from home means employees can work at home in a comfortable manner and effectively. Work from home revolution. Work from home revolution changed the people of working from cottages to factories, factories to offices, and the people migrated from rural areas to cities. Before the pandemic of COVID-19, 5% of employees were already working at homes. Differences of work from home and work from office. It saves the work from home. It saves the time without talking to the people at the office, and office have so much disadvantage like talking to the people and wasting the time. And for work from home, there are flexible hours to work, but in the work from office, they have the restricted fixed hours from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Challenges at safety at work and information security. Work from home safety at work. Work safety and health measures are essential for employees and employers. Well, the work from home safety at work, employees should learn aspects of employees for safety. This enables the productivity, quality and effectivity of the work. Information security. Information security covers the tools and process that companies protect from information from unauthorized access. To protect sensitive information include inspection, modification, disruption, disclosure from unauthorized access. Consequences of security include theft of private information and disruption. These are the reference links which we have used for this PPT. Thank you.